Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video we will be looking at two more other common functions that are widely used in Microsoft Excel, that are min and max, that is minimum and maximum. So in minimum we try to find out the smallest number in particular range, and in maximum we try to find out the largest number in particular cell. So let's see how it works. So first I'll add headers. Okay, again it is really simple. So what we did for sum, same we have to do for min and max. So where do you find these min and max formulas? In financial, logical, text, date, time, lookup? We don't know. There is one shortcut way that we can get to that particular function easily. What we'll do, we'll again go to formulas, then in insert function. Here one dialog box will appear where we can search the function we want. Suppose I am searching min. I'll click on go. Right here, min. So it has given us definition also, returns the smallest number in the set of values, ignores logical values and text. So this is really important to understand, that it will ignore the logical values and text as well. It will only take in account numerical values. It will find out the smallest value from numerical values. So let's try min. Again argument box, we'll select the range. Okay, there you go, we have got the minimum number. Let's try it for one more cell. Insert function, min. Okay, the range. There you go, as simple as this. Let's try this with max. So again we'll go to formulas, insert function, we'll search for max. We'll select the range. Okay, there you go, the largest value. We'll do it for one more cell, max. There you go. So every time I am going to insert function to search any new function, why we are doing this is we need to understand the basics where we can find the functions and make it easy for ourselves.